Welcome back to C Note Music. I'm your instructor, Cedric Braden. Today we'll be learning Gut Feeling by Ella May in the key of C sharp. Let's go over the scale. So it's in the key of C sharp. So C sharp is the 1, D sharp is the 2, F is the 3, F sharp is the 4, G sharp is the 5, A sharp is the 6, C is the 7, C sharp is the 1. All right, let's play through. All right, so got some really nice chord changes in there. Let's go ahead and get started learning the song. In our left hand, we're going to play the 4. Then we're going to go to the 6. Then we're going to go back to the 4. Then we're going to go to the 2. And then to the 3. Again, we have 4. And then 6. Then we have 4. Then we have 2. And then 3. So on the 4, in our right hand, we're going to play 6, 1, 3. And that's the beginning. And then we're going to go in our left hand to the 6. And in our right hand, we are going to play this melody line. And it's the most difficult part of the song. So I'll break it up into 2 sections. So we have 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1, and then 7, 1, 6, 7. So you can double those 6s up to make it sound full and even play lower. Notice you hit that 6 when you're playing that melody line, you're playing the 7. So far we have 4. And then we're back to the 4. And here the lead-in line is 3, 2. And it's staccato, which means that it's broken up. And then in your left, you're going to play the 2. In your right, you are going to play the 3 and a flat 2. And you're going to move it to this finger, you're going to move to the 6. So it's going to be like, so that's flat 2, 7, 6. So we have next chord. In your left hand, you're going to play the 3. Right hand, you are going to play a flat 6. This is a 6. We take it down a half step. And then we're going to play 1, 2, 5. And then we're going to move this finger to the 4. So like, give you that. That's 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. You end on that 4. That's the whole song. Like, subscribe, request, and comment. Please leave your comments for me so we can know how we can improve and how we can help you and what's the next song you want to learn. Thanks again. This is C Note Music Company, and I'm your instructor, Cedric Braden. Be blessed.